What's up, guys? Spark Easy here, and today I'm showing you how to fix a faucet that keeps dripping, even after you've shut it off. If your faucet drips even when it's fully closed, you most likely need to replace the cartridge. The exact cartridge depends on your faucet's make and model. Mine's a Delta. Besides the cartridge, all you need is an Allen key and a small screwdriver. I'll link the tools in the description below. Tools and materials. Replacement cartridge. Matched to your faucet's make, model. His was Delta. Allen key. Small screwdriver. Welcome back to Plumbing Fix USA, your go-to channel for real fixes, real tools, and real results. Step 1. Shut off water. First, turn on the faucet, then shut off the main water supply underneath the sink. If there's no shut-off valve down there, you'll need to shut off the main water supply to the whole house. Once the water's fully off, we can move on. Step 2. Remove the handle. Remove the handle to access the cartridge. I couldn't find the Allen screw right away, so I popped off the small cap covering it. Once exposed, the handle comes off easily with an Allen key. Step 3. Remove the trim cap and cartridge. With the handle off, unscrew the trim cap, then pull out the old cartridge. Before installing the new one, compare it to the old cartridge to make sure the part number matches. Step 4. Install the new cartridge. Make sure the orange gasket is seated properly by pressing it in. The cartridge has guide pins that make alignment easy. You'll know it's seated correctly when it won't move left or right. Step 5. Reassemble. Screw the trim cap back on snugly. Slide the handle back into place and tighten the hex screw. Don't forget to snap the cover back on. Step 6. Test. Turn the water back on and test the faucet to confirm the drip is gone. That's it for today's fix. If this saved you some money and stress, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next repair. Got a plumbing question? Drop it below. I read every comment. This has been Plumbing Fix USA. Stay dry and I'll catch you in the next one.